Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. This is Casey from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. Today, please allow me to show you some of our product, okay? And follow me. Let's check some details for our product. This is our control valve. Yep. Okay, let's see. The package is our control valve. See here? Yes. We pack it with a VCI anti-rust bags. Yeah, actually on this part we also have the label. The first line of our label, this is the Shumatt logos. If you want to print with your own logo, contact us. We can supply you the customized services, the logo, the label, and the packaging bag, and so on. Yes, we can satisfy you. On this part is the product code, the F00VC01046, and the package inject model number is 0445110119. On this part is a QR code, and I really want to open it to see the inside part. Okay, come on, friend, let's see the inside part. Wow, that's the inside part, a little box. Do you like it? And also we have two types of our product packages. We have this one and that one. Okay, today I want to show you this one. Let's open it to see the inside part. Dun, 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 dun. And this is the inside part, okay? Wow, we pack it with the oil paper. This is the whole side of our valve assembly. Actually, we not only sealing the whole side, but also we sealing the separate parts. The separate part, let's see the separate part. This is a valve cap. About our valve cap, you can see there has a coating and also with the curved letters on this part. Right? Can you see clearly? And this is a valve rod. For valve rod, we have different lengths, different size. If you have the demands, if you want the other size, you can contact us, okay? So much for today's product details. Actually, we have many models of our product. If you are not familiar with the models, you can send us the product code. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. At here, Caitlin will share with you some of our little tips for you. The first tips I want to share with you is if you want to clean the spare parts, right, you'd better use oil to clean it. The second tips is if you want to install the control valve, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. The third tip is make sure the valve cap can in the right position. Okay, that's all the details I want to share with you today. Actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like my videos, if you like our product, please focus on at our channel and follow us. Okay, feel free to contact us. Also, you can add our WhatsApp. Okay. Except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the parts for the pumps, and including the control valve we are showing today. Yes, any items if you are interested, please feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. It's just time for us to say goodbye to each other. Yes, remember to miss me, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.